You big ass baby.
Oh, look at the puppy. Oh, look at the little puppy.
Come on.
Hi, you be nice, yeah. Look at the little puppy like hi. He likes you. He likes you, Scooter.
Oh, Kilo, you're about to choke everybody out.
Look at the little puppy coming outside. Yeah. Oh, it's a little puppy little plane.
Yeah, the little thing fucking... We got him from this dude down there and... Like, it's all skittish. And fucking, like, you can see his bones.
Yeah.
Fucking started like hoofing down the food I put down put out here. I don't know if he was like not feeding him, if it was a runt or what.
Yeah, you want to play, huh, little guy? Come on, Moo. Let's let the little guy come down. Come on, Looter. Come on. Come on, little guy. Come on downstairs. Come on downstairs. Come on.
He was like, come on.
Come on, little guy. You got Scooter's collar. Let's go. Look at this fucking shit. Come on down here.
Come on.
Come on down here.
Come on, Karma.
Good boy. Good girl.
Hey, come on. You were halfway there. You were halfway there. Come on. Her chain hooked on the...
Oh, it hooked on?
Hooked on a little...
Oh, you poor thing. You come on down here. You come on. Come on. Good girl. You come on down. Come on. What's she doing, huh, Scooter? That's like your little baby, huh? There you go. There you go.
He's like, holy cow, these dogs are huge.
Cute. That's a cute puppy, huh, Dora?
Oh, and
Yeah.
the dog, it fucking reeks.
Yeah, I'm sure.
It's like he kept it in a cage with puppies or something.
Right.
Kilo.
Well, that's cool. You guys got him in good home now and shit. Now Kilo has a buddy all the
My
time.
girlfriend's gonna be happy as hell because she thought the dog was a little older.
Yeah.
It's still a puppy.
Yeah.
I doubt that thing. Potty thing. Where you going, Kilo? Kilo, come on.
Look at that little puppy, huh, Scooter? That's a cute puppy. It looks almost like Kilo's kid, dude.
I know. I thought that was the coolest thing. What are you doing?
You guys are great.
Hey, you're leading the little one to do bad things. Oh, come on.
It's okay. It's okay.
I just choked it out on that.
Yeah. It's okay. You got scared. It's okay, puppy doggy. Yeah. You got scared. It's okay. I pet you. I pet you. Yeah. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. Hi. You got blue eyes? You got blue eyes like a blue pet? Yeah. Hi, Kilo. What's up, you big boy? What's up, you guys? Yeah. You guys are crazy.
He was like, I'm here to sample everything.
Yeah, he's like, everybody get out of my way.
You see, when he tried to take it off down the alley, the little puppy started...
I know.